tires low. Driver rear. Oh yeah, right there. Looks like a screw. Hi YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be trying out these tire plugs. They come in two different sizes. I've had them for like a few months now and I've never had a chance to try it out. This one is up to a 3mm and this is a 3mm to a 5mm. It's a bigger, depending on the size of your puncture. Disclaimer, this video is for entertainment purposes only, just like those transparent hole videos, you know, in the beginning they have that disclaimer thing. I should put one of those up. Alright, so first we gotta pull the screw or whatever's on that tire. Pull it out. Oh yeah, it's in there. Oh fuck yeah. Oh yeah, it's a little short freaking self-tapping screw. So I decided to go with this bigger one, 3 to 5mm. Looks like a good size. So this plug has a crosshead on it, Phillips. So all you need is a screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver. Get ready to stick it in. Oh yeah, I don't hear anything. Looks like it's working. So it's in there. Let's see what the PSI is supposed to be at. 75. Set it up to 75 PSI. I don't see any bubbles. Put some more water. Yep, it's holding up. So these tire plugs are pretty good. They have like a rubber coating, like they dipped it in rubber or something. It's pretty cheap. I see some on Amazon as well. You can find it on there. I got it from the Philippines. I just wanted to test it out and it seems pretty good. We'll see how it goes for the long run. Yeah, it's much easier than those tire plugs where you have to just shove it in and pull it back out. And if you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.